ngiyaphuma nje eceleni. Hayibo, siyalawula impela kodwa engathi singathola indlela yokuthi amakhosi ethu siwanike isithunzi thina, ngoba lokhu akwenzayo bakwenza vele khathi sizolahla ithemba, sithembe bona ukuthi ibona abantu abane-direction, kanti hhayi bayalahlekiswa. So yithini kumele sibenze amakhosi ethu abe nesithunzi futhi akwazi ukuzethemba nokuthi inkosi yazi ukuthi ihola abantu, hhayi ukuthi ingenza noma kanjani kwabantu. Awethu, hhayi lawethu. Angikhathali noma ngabe yaseLimpopo noma ngabe yakuphi, kodwa kumele siwanike isithunzi ngoba ekugcineni ngeke size siyithole emhlophe ezoba umuntu omnyama. Ngeke. Kumele sizame ukuthi sisakhe isithunzi khona kunje kuze kulunge. Bese siza-ke ku-Cupcake. U-Cupcake angazi kukangaki ukukhuluma indaba yokuthi uhlezi ne-resignation letter ekufuza ngabe wayi-announce-a, kodwa ondlebe yikhanya ilanga bakucacisile ukuthi kahle kahle i-ANC hhayi ukuthi yenza iphathi e-yellow ayenzi iy'nqumo ngokwayo, yenza iy'nqumo ngokwephathi e-blue. Iphathi blue yona iyona mayithi umuntu akaphumi uyaphuma, mayithi umuntu akahlali noma ngabe siyathanda thina ngeke aze aphume kuze kufeseke ley'nhloso zabo. So uma kuthiwa siya-strategize thina, balalele njengamanje, bayasibhala i-script, baya-editha, bayazi ukuthi mhlawumbe kusasa bazo-eda ini ezokwenza ukuthi manje sike sikhokhe 5 minutes sibuyele kumadlanga. Kodwa into ekumele thina singayilahli ukuthi iphathi blue kumele iphelelwe yindaba. Into ehanjelwe ile inkosi le ikumkani okuya le is the very same, mawusuyilandelela ngokujula, is the very same mandate le ephushwa iphathi blue, ngoba iphathi blue ifuna ukuthi i-Cape ibe independent and nalaphaya le phathi blue kahle kahle yiyo le-owner le ngokomthetho, ngoba ilwela ukuthi laba abali abanazo bayalwiswa babuye beze ngapha bahlale kahle banothe and bazothola nechweba, yinto efunwa yiyo. So ayikho astray, kodwa ukuthi it's just that indlela econducteke ngayo somehow yona ikumkani imanipulate ukuthi zingene la. Ma usuyilandela uzothola ukuthi lukhona ugcobho lwephathi blue kule action ayenzile, and imanipulator nje ikhona into ebibhekwe iphathi blue. Iphathi blue khona manje izibona isemafutheni kodwa ayikafiki kahle ekuzikeni kwabo. Yenza sure ukuthi ifuna ukuthi umnotho wase-South Africa like bahlomule ngayo yonke indlela. And thina njengoba sibhizi nepolitiki kahle kahle akusamele kukhulunywe indaba zepolitiki, kumele kukhulunywe indaba zomnotho, wezombiwa phansi ukuthi sifuna umnotho wethu. Nansi indaba la ikhona ngoba bebekufihlile ukuthi thina kahle kahle lokhu kuthiwa iCongo ine-gold eningi, kahle kahle eSouth Africa inegolide elingapheli. Leli abalithathela lelutho. iLesotho inamadayimani angapheli, lokhu kuthiwa mancane maningi ngendlela eyisimanga amadayimani.
Thank you for that submission. I don't know what's happening with the network. Let's continue to tap like and follow and give to the platform. Thank you for your love. Thank you, and you are welcome once again.
Ubhuti lapha ukhuluma lenyendzaba sisikhwini uthi angathi ukuthi ubhuti lophuma nyalo or is the other one who came before him. Ukhuluma indzaba yokuthi sikhonile kukhipha uZuma yakhona kukhipha uRamaphosa, i-ANC ikhiphe uRamaphosa, yakhipha uZuma. Allow me to say the following. It's just that asisheshe siyibone kuthatha isikhathi ukuthi sibone lento leyo. uRamaphosa no uZuma akakakhishwa nge-ANC and akakakhishwa nge-EFF and akakakhishwa ngithi bantu base-South Africa, and I will let you understand why. Let me tell you why it is difficult to stand up and remove Ramaphosa. I want to reveal to you today why it is difficult to remove this one, and why it was never difficult to remove Jacob Zuma and Thabo Mbeki. Let me reveal it to you. Ramaphosa, it's working for the system. All of the previous ANC yonke may control on the system as a Britain. So meaning, if maba controlling the system, that's why every time mabafakwa kuba ma president bonke baya eBritain bayonikwa yes bayonikwa imithetho, bahamba baye eBritain bonke umthetho, ngithi sakwathi sonke lokho. Bafike banikwe nebheji leya le bayibita kunebheji le banikwa yona lapha, banikwa i-ribbon ne-red, banikwa ibheji le bheji le ibhale ukuthi we serve all of them. uMandela uyile wayinikwa, uThabo Mbeki waya wayinikwa, nababa Jacob Zuma waya wayinikwa, then naye lona waya wayinikwa ile badge nale ribbon le ibhale ukuthi we serve. So they go there because it means Britain is still controlling the country. We all know that. Now, because of that, Mandela was being controlled to manage us. They were just managers to manage us. Banikwa mthetho yokuthi nina, you don't change this, you don't touch this, you don't do this. Tina, we will just make you rich, you will have access to our businesses, our companies and everything. But you are managing the people of South Africa so that bahlale balele, bangavuki. Make sure ukuthi labantu laba basejele, they are in prison. Make sure ukuthi nina nima prison warder abo bangabaliki, bangaphumi. Basejele bona bayathi ukuthi bakhululekile, angithi basinikile le fake freedom. Now when we come to the issue ukuthi ubaba Zuma na Thabo Mbeki bakhitshwe ngathi or ANC, it's not true. Let me reveal to you why I say it's not true. The media is controlled by the system. When the media is being controlled by the system, nifanele yathi ukuthi uThabo Mbeki, the reason baze bamkhiphe esitulweni ufele indaba yokuthi uquestione nge-HIV, angithi yakhumbula nokho, uquestione ngema-ARVs and everything. Then USA ma afuna ukuthi atoenda imali e-Africa ngema-ARV. Then Mbeki, the more a question ngema-ARV namantu shabalala msimang, they were blocking the money making machine as the US. Then ma block the money making machine as the US na Britain. Bakwatela ukuthi if usa question nge-HIV na V yakhona nema-ARV, kusho ukuthi bona bathu thatha isikhathi ukuthi badle ngalama ARV. But no, lo muntu lona se uyaphapha. Akusingithi laba sithi uyaphapha, ngibo base-US na Britain ukuthi uyaphapha because ublocka indlela yethu yokwenda imali e-Africa, and i-South Africa kungaba yona le itwala nalamanye amave atwala. So we must find a way yokumkhipha ngilesikhathi sebakhuluma ukuthi ya niyambona ufuna ukuthi nife, niyambona ufuna ukuthi ni ya kubaningi abantu bafile nabantu shabalala msimang bakhuluma the same thing. Bathini bathi wena ukhuluma ngema-beetroot sokunika ligama soku-beetroot. Then ufeleni umuntu ufele ukuthi waya eAmerica, wafika kule conference yabo, wafika wathi nina niyakhe sifo maniceda kusiyakha nyalo nifuna kusinika kudla kwesifo ma-ARVs feed sifo, nikhona ukuthatha ama-minerals ethu, nithathe ama-minerals ethu nisinike lama-ARV ethu. But no, sifuna ukuthi laphela ngendlela yethu not yenu. But wena mantu shabalala msima uyaphapha, wena Thabo Mbeki uyaphapha sifuna kunixosha ithini sinipende ngema-media enu bacala kubapenda ngema-media bakhuluma ukuthi niyababona bafuna nife niyababona bafuna kunibulala then baplana bathi asisebenziseni imandla emedia ethu sipende uThabo Mbeki simkhulume ngale ndlela sitomkhuluma ngayo simpende uMantu Shabalala Msimangi ngale ndlela sitompenda ngayo then basupporta ifengshini bathatha imali babhadala bomalima basebenzisa yonke imali ubhadala ama-media house ngempela babakhupha ugovernment. In reality, it is not us who was angry at the man. It was not the ANC. It was the system that wanted to take him out of the way because he was trying to block their system that they were planning to capture Africa nge-AD yabo, yema-ARV. Now, bamkhipha. Akusingi laba babhadalile uthi bamkhiphe. Then kusuka lapho vata kuZuma. Zuma akakafeli maguptazi, akakafeli indzaba yenkandla. Mangabe uJacob Zuma utshontshe le mali if ngempela uyitshontshile, as long as mangabe akakathepi etinyaweni tabo mabatoba bangakasitsheli ukuthi utshontshe mali noma the issue uye wayothatha iRussia wayiletha eSouth Africa waphinda wayendani wathatha wayoyenda ideal yema nuclear energy ukuthi itowakhiwa eSouth Africa but naye uyaphapha but asendeni njani asempendeni ngemagupta sempende ngenkandla mangabe akakayi eRussia wayoyenda ukuthi South Africa ibe ku BRICS mangeke bakhulume nikhumbule ukuthi basebenzise umfadi waseSouth Africa bathi makoma likalakala ukuthi aproteste bambadala u-Open Society yambadala kwata nalo wase-San Francisco baphinda bambita makoma likalakala ukuthi buya stock rewarda bambita eSan Francisco but ukhonile kusebenzela kustopa Jacob Zuma ukuthi kwakhiwe i-nuclear energy yase-Russia buya stock badala bahamba boyomgifta bamnika imali. So in short what I'm trying to say uZuma na Thabo Mbeki abakacoshwa ngithi kusebenziswe thina mara abantu labo mabafuna ukuthi baphume ngile system because they were blocking or doing the things that abafuni bona. So lona utokhitshwa or bampende only if he tap on their toes. Even when he signed the land bill maatsheliwe ukuthi sayina sifuna kuyisebenzisa uthi utothengisa living South Africa sayina utela sifuna ukuthi ufike usayine konke ukuthi sithathe iSouth Africa ibe kithi. So the man is sent to dismantle BRICS and to sell malima in the USA. Akakathumelwa lokunye uthumele lokho. So thina asikazi saqosha muntu siqoshelwe bantu ngalabantu because they the one who did it. Thina sasebenziswa labanye babhadalwa uqosha labantu labo. So nalo the day atothepa etinyaweni tabo batomkhipha kwabona basebenzise thina. Angithi thina siyasaba kusukuma ngithi thina ungathi sinedlue angithi lehleti la emuva kwethu asikhona ukusukuma siyolwa ngithi siyosukuma sithi akaphumi. So they will remove him the day they feel like removing him because thina asifuni. So ngiyabonga bakethi ngizamile ukunikanyana a little bit clear yokuthi asikazi saqosha umuntu thina eSouth Africa basicoshela abantu bona basebenzise thina babhadale nebantu nema-organization hambani yotoyitoya naye kune-Open Society Foundation la le busy isebenziswa ngabo ukunika abantu imali hambani yo-protest. So we never chased anyone. It's them who removed them basebenzise thina ukuthi sibakhiphe. So we never chased anyone in South Africa before. Thank you Queen, thank you everybody.
Ehabulile comrade siyabonga.